finished doing Anari's hair. And it looks so pretty, right?
Yeah.
Yes, today, guys, today is day 10.
Yeah.
Yes, and look what we see over here.
Yeah.
Elf Kiki. Look, Nari. Look at Elf Kiki. Okay, so it looked like someone got a little tired of Kiki. Wow. Can you believe this, Anari? Look at Elf Kiki pinned up there. What do you guys say about this pumpkin?
Kiki, why you do that?
Kiki didn't do this. They did this to Kiki.
Why?
Because Kiki was being so bad.
Why you do that to our Kiki?
Uh-oh, guys. Because they tired of Kiki crap.
Mm.
Mmm. That's all you got to say? Mm-hmm. Okay, guys. Well, we want to take Elf Kiki and rescue Elf Kiki down from here. Hopefully, these guys don't get a hold of Kiki anymore.
She's so tired of it.
Yes. So, guys, we will see you guys in the next clip.
I'm going to play with this toy.
So, you guys, today I will be cooking the Velveeta skillet, the chicken Alfredo. I'm cooking this for Nari today, and then right here I have the chicken breast. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these, and I'm gonna be cooking this chicken on my new George Foreman grill Babe had bought me early Christmas gift. So if you guys hear any noise in the background, that's Nari. She's watching her movie on Netflix. So yeah, disregard the sound. I'm sorry. You know how it is to have kids and then they're just watching little shows and you don't want to interrupt them. So we're gonna get ahead and go into the video. So you guys, so far I have the chicken washed. I have the George Foreman grill right here. So now I'm about to plug this up. I have my seasonings out. So like I said to you guys, let me turn my light on so it could be a little bright in here. So I have my seasonings out right here. I have my paprika, my garlic powder, my ground black pepper, salt. I don't think I'm gonna use too many salt because adobo have a lot of salt in it. So the chicken's right here. So the George Foreman grill, it has to heat up. So then I have a spatula right here as well. My camera do not want to stay put. I have a plate just because. What else is this? Scissors. I gotta put this up here. So everything else is basically out, and then I have a pan for the Velveeta. So I'm about to go ahead and season the meat, and then after the meat is seasoned and everything, I'm going to go ahead and put them on the George Foreman grill. So I have also the vegetable oil that I'm going to spray this down with. So just because so the chicken won't stick, because I don't want it to be like, you know, a hard scrub when I clean it up. So I'm going to go ahead and oil the pan up so far for a while. And then it's got this little oil chicken grease or whatever this thing is right here, a catcher for it. So I like that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that under there. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Okay, you guys, so now the water is all out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Velveeta white cheese. I'm going to cut it open. And now I'm going to go ahead with, I'm going to turn it off because I don't want it to burn as I'm doing it. So, ooh, look all that good. Like I said, guys, it's an easy and quick meal that you can do for the kids or for yourself or for your maid or whatever. I buy these quick little kits just so I can, little 20-minute, not even 20-minute, little 10-minute meal. If you got the chicken, if you got some leftover chicken in the refrigerator, you can also use that. And then we're just gonna go ahead and stir it. Go ahead and stir it together, all in. So it's supposed to be like Alfredo. So this is the white cheddar cheese. Is it the white cheddar? No, this is not white cheddar cheese. This is white sauce. So I'm gonna mix that together. Make sure all the cheese is melted and all in it. All the noodles is covered as so. So if you see some little brown pieces in there, that's chicken, but it ain't burnt because I cooked it on the grill as I showed y'all before. So okay, voila. So you can easily top this with a salad and a garlic bread to make it a little fancy. We're not gonna do either one because it's past Nari bedtime, so she's just gonna eat this. Probably a little piece of garlic bread. I probably bake with this and plate it, and then that's gonna be it. So guys, this is the last bit of the vlog. Here it is. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for cooking with me today as well. And my crab legs is done like I told you. And I overcooked my shrimp, but that's a little okay. You know what I'm saying? Little, you know, babe going, that's for babe anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and cover that. We're gonna plate Nari stuff up, and then we're gonna go. But thanks, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. You like to see more cooking videos with Coco? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to put them post notifications on as well, guys. See you guys tomorrow.